Hey guys, what's going on? Today I am going to talk about the Keurig K-Mini Single Serve. In this video I am going to share my experience using this product for 2 years and my overall thoughts. So let's dive in. The design is very simple. On the top there is a button to turn it on and a big button to make the coffee. It's straightforward and easy to use. The front part lifts up and that's where the coffee cups go. You lift the lid, put the coffee cup in and close it. At the back, there's a space to put water. Since this coffee machine is single serve, you have to add water every time you make coffee. The amount of water you add will be the amount of coffee you get. You can choose between 6, 8, 10 and 12 ounces of coffee. The part at the bottom where you place the cup is detachable and can be removed to clean any spills. Lastly, the power cord is not very lengthy. I would prefer it to be a bit longer to reach more places, but that's pretty much it about the design. Now, let's move to the testing part. To use this machine, you will need these cups. I use the original Keurig cups, but sometimes I run out of them or I just like a stronger coffee. In those cases, I use these reusable ones. They don't come with the coffee maker, so you will have to get them separately. The process is the same. You put the ground coffee inside, close the lid, and place it in the coffee maker the same way you would with the other cups. I like using reusable ones because you can use your own coffee grounds and make the coffee as strong as you like. Now, I am going to make coffee in real time to show you how long it takes to make a cup. First, we add water. I added 12 ounces this time. Turn on the coffee maker and after putting the coffee cup in, press the big button to start the process. This process takes a bit of time. Unlike other coffee makers that have hot water ready, this one starts heating the water when you press the button. So you have to wait a little for the water to heat up. This is how long it takes to heat the water. Once ready, the coffee starts coming out. It's nice to see the coffee filling up the cup. The machine stops when all the water is used up, so you don't have to worry about stopping it. And here is the result. The coffee smells great and it's ready to drink. Now, let's talk about my conclusions after using this coffee maker for 2 years. The biggest downside is the time it takes to make the coffee. It's not the fastest because it heats the water each time you make a cup. So if you are in a hurry in the morning, this might be a bit of a wait. But if you don't mind waiting a few extra minutes, it's not a big issue. On the positive side, the coffee maker is very easy to use. The simple design means there are no complicated settings or buttons. Just add water, put in the coffee cup, and press the button. And cleaning is also easy because you can remove the bottom part where the cup sits and wash it. Overall, the Keurig K Mini Single Serve Coffee Maker is a straightforward and easy to use machine. The design is simple, and it works well for making a quick cup of coffee. However, it does take a bit longer to brew because it heats the water each time. If you don't mind waiting a little, this coffee maker does the job well.